Welcome to the first module, and this is the first video in the first module where we are going to be talking about the theories of design. Primarily, we are going to be looking at typography, we are looking at colors, we are looking at file types, and we are looking at what is design itself in general. So this is the first video talking about what is design. Welcome. So what is design? Design is not in itself something abstract as you have been made to believe. Design is not something complex as most of the designs you must have been seeing look like. Design in itself is relatively what we do on a day-to-day basis. For example, take your parlor. You see that the size your chair takes, your couch, the size and location of your TV, the size and location of your tables, they are all different and they take different spaces. They are in different proportion. That's how design elements are. The theme, the details, even the pictures, they are all strategically positioned. So when you do that, you are already doing design. So what exactly else can we say design is? In another form, we can say design is like music. You see, for an average person, we just enjoy music comprehensively. We don't listen underneath to hear the various layers of instruments that make up the whole music comprehensively. We enjoy the harmony. For example, listen to this music and then tell me how many instruments can you pick out? Listen attentively. So you have listened. Let me enjoin you. Can you listen again? I know you enjoy it, and this is not what you do on a normal day, but just try and listen again and try to pick out those instruments. So when you do that, please, I would like you to just drop your comments below, like how many instruments can you pick out? Just comment it below. We'll look through all the comments and possibly see who got it right, and you may never know, we may have something for you. So that's how design is. You start to see in components, not comprehensively any longer. You start to look at the text. What kind of text was used? Look at the color. Look at the background picture. Look at the placement of things and alignments. When you start to look at those things in components, individually, you're already on your journey to becoming a very good designer. So what else can we say about design? We can say that design in itself also is in layers. There are many components to it, as we have said. And we have the layout and composition. We have high quality assets. We have the understanding of typography, and we have colors and contrast. So I want you to understand that when you grasp these fundamentals, you don't just use them when you are designing on your laptop or even on your phone or on your tablet. You generally start to apply them on day-to-day lives. It can even be applied on how you paint your house, an understanding of how you arrange your house. I mean that design primarily is arrangement and how things see. You are communicating to the eye of people, and that's very, very important. So when you grasp the fundamental of this design I have just talked about, one of the things that makes you very relevant is that you'll be able to design for any kind of persons across any sector. I mean, you'll be able to design for individuals, you'll be able to design for individuals young, individuals old, individuals who are in their prime years. So you'll be able to cut across different sectors also. What are the colors guiding this sector? What kind of fonts does this sector use? What kind of backgrounds are noticeable with this sector? What kind of spatial geometry, what kind of spatial definition is used when people are designing for this kind of sectors rather. So those are the things that starts to come into consideration when you are doing design. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.